Hey guys, welcome back. For today's video, like you see from the title, I have my post relaxer wash day routine. Super exciting. So as you guys saw, I'm going ahead and taking the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Protein Treatment. This is one of my favorites for just like a really light protein treatment on my hair, especially after my relaxer and my hair being like so traumatized. I really like to do a protein treatment after as well as before. If you guys have not seen my pre-relaxer wash day, go ahead and check that out on my channel. So here I'm just taking some of the protein treatment and putting it in a little bowl here, as you guys can see, and I'm going ahead and mixing that with some avocado oil. Avocado oil is just my favorite oil for my hair. My hair does not like coconut oil, so I kind of steer away from that. I either use avocado or olive oil. Those are my two favorite oils for my hair. As you guys can see here, I did part my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to apply this mixture onto dry hair. If you guys have seen any of my other videos, you know that I usually apply my pre-poos onto damp hair. But when it comes to protein, I feel like my hair does a lot better when I'm pre-pooing with it on dry hair. So I'm just going ahead and applying that to all of the sections, making sure to work from the bottom up, and I'm parting my hair so that even the roots get it and every strand is getting some loving. So I'm going ahead and doing that, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so as you can see, all of the protein treatment oil is in, so I'm just going to go ahead and put on a plastic cap. I'm going to go eat some lunch actually, and then I'm going to sit under my heating cap for about 15 minutes or so just to really penetrate this this protein treatment into my hair, just so that everything is really good, and then I will be back to show you guys how I wash it. So let's go ahead. I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have some washed hair here. This is my first wash day post relaxer, as you guys heard already, I'm sure. So now we're going to go ahead and apply some conditioner. I'm using the Care Moisturizing Conditioner for color treated hair. I just love this stuff so much. I cannot get enough of it. I actually finally bought another bottle. Sorry, that was loud. But it's just too good. Too freaking good. So I'm just adding some of that to a bowl. I'm just using up my other bottle first. I have a whole thing. I missed my garbage. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use that. So as you guys can see here, I just have a little bit in the bowl. Now I'm going to add some of my Mega Thick Hair Growth Oil. I just like to do this just because it makes me feel good. So I just do a couple squirts of that. And then I do a few drops of pure olive oil. This is the pure olive oil I use. It's just by Goya. There's probably better olive oils for your hair, but this is what works for me. So that's all I'm going to say about that. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour a little bit more conditioner in here. Ooh, that was good noises, good noises. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up. Like so. My hair feels really good with that. After doing that protein treatment, my hair feels amazing. So I have been starting to wash my hair in these braids with little rubber bands on the end. It just makes everything so much easier, you guys. It just keeps my hair nice and detangled and easy to manipulate. So I'm just going to go ahead and start adding in the conditioner. Okay guys, so I have rinsed out the conditioner and the oils and all that jazz. So this is what my hair is looking like. Feels so good, so fresh, so clean. So I just wanted to show you guys the products that I use in my hair. once I wash it. So the first thing that I use is this Way Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. I got this in a, I believe, an influencer. No, my FabFitFun box. I'm sorry. So this is just a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. It says mist lightly through damp hair prior to brushing and or heat styling for added conditioning, thermal protection, and control. So it is pretty thick. It's not like a liquid at all. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell. It's pretty thick, but this smells so good. You honestly, like when you wear this, you don't even need perfume. It smells so good. Kind of just comb that through. That smells so good. Perfect. And then I use my Elastic QP olive oil and mango butter anti-breakage growth moisturizer. I love this stuff too. It is so good. And this just moisturizes my hair so nicely. That's a lot, but we'll make it do what it does. So there's actually a big, huge chunk. We don't want no chunks around here. So I focus this mostly on the ends of my hair and then just run it through. If I feel like there's too much product on my hair also, I just go ahead and just run my towel over it, just to make everything nice and simple. And then I, of course, go in with my Smooth and Shine Polishing Silk Straightening Polish. I love this stuff. I use about a dime size amount. This just really helps when I do my roller set to make everything just look super nice and shiny. Okay, and that is it, you guys. That is my post relaxer wash day routine. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. After this, I just go ahead and do my roller set, and I just wrap my hair up for the night, and that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. If you guys would like how I roller set my hair video, definitely let me know down below, because I can definitely do that for you guys. I hope that you all are staying safe and staying healthy. Wash your hands, use hand sanitizer, don't cough on anybody, stay 6 feet away. You know, the regular. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.